Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a tutorial using new Believe Beauty and other makeup products that I picked up that are new to me. And I done this really pretty pink and peachy kind of look, and I think this is perfect for spring, summer, anytime, daytime, nighttime. It's such a pretty look, and I love Believe Beauty and I love that they came out with new products, so I'm definitely excited to share these products with you. First, we're going to primer our eyelids with the Believe Beauty Universal Eyeshadow Primer. They have a transparent one and this kind of skin tone shade primer. Love this. Doesn't crease, made my eyeshadows bright and vibrant. I loved it. We'll have more details on that later. This is the new Believe Beauty Love Struck eyeshadow palette, and this is a pretty layout. There's a couple mattes in here, a satin, and there's some shimmery shades. 6 shades for $5. First off, I'm going to be picking up the peachy shade, and I'm going to take that on a fluffy crease brush, and I'm going to windshield wiper that into my crease. I'm just going to keep working that in the crease, and I'm going to go over this a couple times so that way it can build the shade up as we go. It's a very easy look to achieve in my opinion. The shades build up very nicely. They're really pigmented. We're picking up that nice beautiful hot pink, and I'm applying that in the outer corner. They're of the same kind of color family, so they blend flawlessly and seamlessly and so quickly, might I add. This is such a quick look. I just placed a crease color, outer corner color kind of messily because they blend so easily. And you'll see me wiping off my brush because I'm using the same crease brush to do this. And then I am going to apply this beautiful, beautiful champagne shade in the palette on the lid. Absolutely stunning. Perfect inner corner highlight. It's so beautiful. It doesn't even need a secondary base to stick to. It's so stunning. And I'm applying that in the inner portion of the lid, about halfway onto the lid, because I still kind of wanted the pink to be somewhat of the star of the show, because it's just so beautiful and pigmented, and you just don't get this kind of quality usually in drugstore or dollar store kind of eyeshadows. Believe Beauty is top. Now this is the AOA Studio pressed powder in porcelain, and I'm just using that as my highlighter and my magic eraser to blend down the edges of my makeup look and in my crease, of course. And want to go back in with a little bit of peach to blend in with the brow bone highlight I placed. I'm wiping away fallout because these shadows are a little bit powdery. That is the downside to the Believe Beauty eyeshadows, but they're so pigmented I don't even care. Now I'm bringing the peach shade and the pink shade in down on the lower lash line, and in the inner corner I'm definitely placing that beautiful champagne color, and I'm blending out the lower lash line. This is AOA Studio's gel eyeliner in black. Honestly, this washed really black, but when you apply it to the eye, it's really not that black. I was kind of disappointed. I know it was just $1, but I expected it to be a little bit blacker. But I'll continue to use it and test it further. The AOA Studio Super Lash Adhesive in the shade black, and these are Ioni lashes from the Dollar Tree. And they give me a little bit of trouble this time, and I think these lashes are on their way out. I've worn them about 5 times. They're beautiful, but they're just not curing or looking like they should now, as if you took them right out of the package. The black adhesive, I'm gonna have to get used to. This is the Believe Beauty Extend Mascara. Beautiful mascara packaging. Reminds me of L'Oreal mascaras. It has a plastic bristle brush. This is a new product to me, not a new product to their line. And that's our look. That's our eyes. For lips, I'm using this All Matte Plus from Hard Candy. It's a lip crayon. It has coconut oil and hemp oil in it, and this is the most comfortable matte formula I have ever used. This is new to me as well. It's the L'Oreal Lumi spray. Absolutely stunning setting spray. It gives you a nice natural inner glow, and it's beautiful. That is our finished look. I wanted something so beautiful for spring, and I think we really achieved it here. Makes my green eyes pop. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Found it helpful. We'll definitely try it out for yourselves. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Hope you all are having a blessed day. And don't forget to check that description box for additional links as well as a product list. Thank you so very much for watching.